Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm so excited to be back. It's been such a long time and I've missed you guys so much. I wanted to get back on YouTube by the end of this year, maybe next year. I wasn't sure when exactly, and then last week I received a call from Hermes completely out of the blue. And yeah, it happened. I got the bag of my dreams and I thought, okay, this is the perfect time to get back on YouTube with the most perfect video ever. It's actually a double Hermes unboxing because one thing led to another and I picked up an accessory for the bag, but which is also very unique and very cute. It was very unplanned. I didn't even know this item existed, but then I saw someone reselling it and I was like, do they really exist? I need to check them out. So I've started my research and basically I ended up in the store picking this item up because they happen to have one in stock for me. So that's very fortunate. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get right into it. So what should we start with? The bag or the accessory? I think it just makes more sense if we start from the bag, right? I think you agree with me. So here's the big bag, and I started this fun game on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, you should. It's at @bonjouraika. I post a lot of reels now and they're super fun and I think you're gonna love them. But I basically posted a picture of the box, this box, and I asked to comment below your guesses of what this might be, and the winner could win a small prize from me. Unfortunately, nobody guessed. A few people were very close, but not really. It's been 4 years, almost 4 years since I've put this bag on my wish list at the store. I was very unlucky. I actually had a few bags on mind and 2 years later I got my Constance bag. And I'm gonna leave the link to the video over here and in the description box so you can watch it. It was so random actually how I got the bag. And a year later, so on the 3rd year, we revisited the store. It was actually in February, a little bit less than a year ago. I asked for this bag and they didn't have it. They had it in other colors, and I've noticed that it happens a lot with Hermes. Whenever you come to the shop and you ask for a bag, of course if you're already in the system, they will offer you a bag but in a different color. And then it's up to you whether you want to get it or not. And the colors that they offered me back in February weren't the colors that I liked. It was orange and Frida blue, I think, and something else I don't remember now. But I rejected all of them, and I think I posted a video about that as well, that I rejected Birkins, which was insane, I know. But for someone like me, I don't like to just splurge my money on random things that I don't even like that much. Even when it comes to Hermes, if they offer me a bag that I don't like, I'm not gonna take it, and that's, you know, that's my personal choice. Some people just jump on the bag right away. They don't care about the color, the size, what it is, Birkin or Kelly, they just get it. But I'm not like that. I'm very picky with what I get. I'm very mindful with my money. So a few months later, we're now in November, I got my baby. I received a call that they received my dream bag. So I'm just so happy I waited and I didn't buy all those bags I didn't really like just to have the bag, you know what I mean? I'm done with talking now. Let's just concentrate on the unboxing. It's so cute. Okay, here's the dust bag with the bag inside. So we have a pillow inside. I've had the same one with my Constance, and we have this cute little raincoat in case it rains outside. We don't need that anymore, so I'll just put it here. Right, is it good? Yeah. I am feeling a bit nervous because it still feels like a dream. And unboxing this bag now at home actually feels real but surreal at the same time. Like, how is this my life? How is this happening to me? Okay, so we have a little sneak peek now. And here it is. It is so perfect. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, so pretty. Let's remove this. Can you guys see? Can you actually see? I'm not sure if my camera shows it well, if it's in focus. I hope it is though. And also the reflection from my lights. But can you freaking see this? I got Birkin in size 30 in Togo leather. And here's the best part, with rose gold hardware. How crazy! You know, finding a black Birkin in size 30 is already pretty difficult, but getting it in black with rose gold hardware, that's like almost mission impossible, and I cannot believe it's mine. It is honestly so beautiful. Initially I wanted the bag in Epsom leather, but they said Epsom leather is very rare, and Togo is pretty cool as well. I really like Togo. It's very soft and very smooshy, so I'm pretty sure I'll need an organizer for this bag, but I feel like it will be pretty scratch resistant because it has this bubbly texture that won't show much of the scratches. Now let's open it, remove the cloth, and take a closer look at the bag. I actually haven't even opened it in store. I looked at it like this and I was like, it's perfect, I'm taking it, just wrap it up. And I told this to my friend Lou, and she was like, oh my god, woman, you haven't even like properly opened it, you didn't take pictures of it. I'm like, nah, no really. I did take one picture on the table, but nothing else. Okay, how do you open this thing? I want to be very careful because it's my first baby and it's a new and unique experience to me. I think this is what everybody is doing, right? Like this. Now let's remove the cloth. Bye-bye, we don't need you anymore. And here it is. Should I put this back in place like this? Okay. No, I think that's a little bit too much. I'm really sorry, it's taking me some time to open the bag, but just because I'm so new to it, I'm like such a noob at this. Okay, I think this is how you do it, right? And now you can properly see the rose gold. Oh, isn't it beautiful? What do you guys think? It is so perfect, and I'm just so thankful to my essay for calling me, not anyone, but me, to get this bag. We have some wrapping paper inside and also this little thing, and I think it's like a lock, is it? Like a, how do you call it? Padlock? Yes, here it is. Ah, so cute. Let's put it on the bag. Should I put the lock here or should I just keep it in here so I can, you know, close the bag easily whenever I need to? I think it's good like this. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. This is so cool. What does it have inside? Let's see. As I said before, I have never touched the Birkin. Okay, I did touch it to try it on me, but I never, you know, I never opened the Birkin. I never see what's inside a Birkin. I never wore a Birkin, so everything is pretty new to me. If it's new to you too, let's check it out together, I guess. So we've got this huge black hole, right? Then there is a pocket on this side. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see since it's all black, but here is a pocket. It's very spacious, very generous pocket. And then on this side I see another pocket with a zipper, which is pretty cool as well, you know, to hide your wallet, like a card holder, receipts, whatever you want, letters, I don't know. And that's pretty much it. This is the whole bag, I guess, but it's, wow, it's gorgeous. It is really, really gorgeous. And how about the feet? Oh my god, the feet are also in rose gold. You know, I was thinking if I want to remove the stickers. I do want to remove the stickers, but I don't at the same time, at least for now, because I know I can scratch it very easily. I'm very clumsy with shiny items, and they just, yeah, they get scratched. I think I want to keep the stickers on just for a bit until I get used to the bag. But wow, it says Hermès Paris over here. And it has another little stamp, but I honestly cannot tell what it says. It's so tiny and my vision is getting so bad for some reason. Here it says Hermes, Paris, made in France. I love it. I absolutely love it. Black with rose gold. It's just wow. And I'm going to include some mod shots for the reference. I'm 168 and this is size 30, so you'll have an idea of how it would look on you, for example. And now, should I just leave it here and bring it a bit closer? Right? Yeah? Let's open the second item that I got for this bag. Here it is. When I saw an account reselling this piece, I actually wanted to get it, but the price was exactly the same as in the store, so I was like, why not check out the store? I mean, why not if the price is the same? And they had it, so here it is. It's so cute. It's so freaking cute. So the item that I got is, ta-da! It's the cute little rodeo PM. But it's not just any rodeo, it's Pegasus. As you can see, it has this cute little wings and it's so adorable in orange color. It's the signature Hermes color, and this white, I forgot the name, Grail. Please don't kill me, please don't kill me. Let me try to find the color name. I'm so bad with color names. It's called Poppy Orange, so the horse itself is in color poppy. Then, yes, I was right, it's Grail, this milky white color. And Terre Battue, it's very similar, it's the wings, they're very similar to terracotta color. And basically here it is. It is so adorable. I wanted something bright to have a contrast with the bag, and I think it is perfect. It really is perfect. What do you guys think? I think it looks so freaking cute. My essay said it's pretty difficult to find this little charms with wings, the Pegasus style, and they only had one actually, and it happened to be in this orange color. I'm neutral to orange, I like it, why not? And I especially love the white detail over here. And against the black, it just pops really beautifully, right? So, what do you think? It is so perfect. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear it outside. So here we are. I'm filming on my phone because my camera overheated, but this is what it looks like on me. Basically, it's size 30 and 168 once again for the reference, and I think it's the perfect size for me. Now I really want to get a 25. It's a lot smaller, but it's just so freaking cute. But I really love this size as well. I think it will fit a lot of things inside, and just in general I think it's a very good size. It's not too small, but it's not too big at the same time. It's just, you know, that a perfect medium size, average bag size. So here's one way how I would style this bag. It's a very casual look with an oversized leather jacket, some jeans on this bag. This Pegasus is definitely a statement piece. It's definitely something that draws the attention to the bag, and I think because the look is very casual, this bag sort of balances it because it's very classy and it's very elegant and sort of dressy. And I know I need to get some twillies on, but honestly there are just so many. Whenever I have a big choice, I can never choose. That's why the two handles are still naked, but I was thinking of getting something black and white to keep it, you know, to keep it classy. Someone pinched me because I still cannot believe this beauty is mine and that I got this rodeo charm, the Pegasus charm. And I guess thank you, Hermes. You've been so nice to me lately. Oh, I really, really appreciate it. You know, I've had this conversation, I think 2 months ago with my husband, and I was completely hopeless. I was like, I'm never getting the bag. Like, they're not calling us. It's pointless to keep going to the store and keep buying from them. We can buy from other places. And my husband, he was really loyal to our local boutique here in Geneva. He was like, no, we have to go there. They will offer you a bag. We have to shop from one place. We need to build a client history. You know, keep believing, it will come, the bag will come. And he was right. He was so right. And I'm just so glad. He was such a loyal customer, and I finally got the bag. It's been 4 years. It's been such a long time, and I never got the call. Our previous essays, they weren't even our essays. We just, you know, we would come to the store randomly, talk to anyone who was available and tell them my wish list. And 2 years later, there was a woman that my husband met, and he, you know, he was talking to her. He was being very polite and very nice, and he mentioned that I wanted a bag. And then a bit later, we returned to the store together. We sat with her, and I gave her my wish list, and she freaking delivered. So I'm very, very grateful for that. You know, guys, sometimes you can be lucky and you can get the bag just by walking in the store for the first time. I think it really depends on the relationship you build with the sales associate. It's the conversation that you have. It's that first impression. Although we were building our client history in the store, I think in order to get a bag of your dream, it's very important to build good connections, to build good relationships with your sales associate, and he or she, they will deliver 100%. And sometimes people just expect to receive a bag like today, tomorrow, in a week, in a month. I waited for 4 years and I didn't die, you know, not having the bag. And now I feel like I will keep and love the bag even more because I waited for such a long time for it to arrive. It is stupid. It's obviously very stupid, you know, to have to wait this long to spend your money in a shop. But, you know, it's completely worth it. If you are a bag lover, if you're a bag collector, it's definitely worth it. If you have an eye on a specific Hermes bag, Birkin, Kelly, Constance, whatever it is, you should build that relationship with your sales associate, and that is the key in getting bags. So this is it for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. I will be posting frequently again, and I will start with the things that I bought over this 4 months that I wasn't posting anything here on YouTube. But thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! My little baby!